We are not just stringing you along when we tell you that flossing is important. Brushing is a great way to take care of your teeth, but it can't reach everywhere in your mouth. There are still spaces between your teeth and under your gums that you have to clean. This is where flossing comes in. To floss your teeth while you have braces, you'll have to use this cool little tool called a threader. Start with an arm's length of floss. Slide one end of the floss through the loop in your threader, and then gently and carefully pull the floss under the wire. Once the floss is under the wire, remove the threader and wrap the ends of the floss around a finger on each hand, or securely grip the floss in a way that works best for you. Now, use a gentle sawing motion back and forth to move the floss between the teeth. This will clean the area where your teeth contact and will help to prevent cavities between your teeth. Make sure you don't do it too hard or too fast, as you may injure your gums or bend a wire. Next, curve the floss around the edge of one tooth at a time and gently scrape up and down against the tooth. This will clean under your gums and help to prevent gum disease. Remember to repeat these steps for each space between your teeth and rinse your mouth out afterward. If you're new to flossing, your gums may be swollen and so they may bleed when you first start. But don't worry, this will soon stop if you keep taking care of your mouth and keep the plaque away from your gums.